Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to carry yarn in a crochet project. I'm sure you can already tell that this video is going to be laid out a little differently than my normal videos. Right now we are looking at a blanket that I will have a pattern out eventually. I'm still working on this blanket. It will be called the Diamond Stripe Granny Blanket. I will have it listed down below as soon as I'm done with it. But I have been working on this blanket when I got this comment on a video recently. Thank you to Jerry605. They were asking for a yarn carrying tutorial, and this particular blanket features yarn carrying. It's the easiest way to make this blanket. Instead of cutting your yarn and bringing in new yarn and all that, carrying it is the easiest way to make this pattern. Because of Jerry's comment, I decided that a isolated yarn carrying video would be helpful. I will be going over it again once I do a video on this blanket in the future, but this is going to be focusing on the yarn carrying technique. So for this particular pattern, you will be alternating rows. So one row is going to be alternating two different colors, and then the next row is going to be a row of the new color that you bring in. This row that I'm currently working is going to be the alternating row of different colors. So we're going to be carrying our yarn until the end of this row. So this is my current color. We're going to be carrying this yarn throughout, and we're going to be carrying our new color. So what you're going to need to do to bring in your new color is you're going to make a slip knot. I have a tutorial on how to make a slip knot. I have one that features how to make the slip knot in a few ways. So I will have that listed if you need help on making a slip knot. So once you make your slip knot, you're going to bring it in to wherever you need to connect your colors. So I'm going to bring it in here. And you can tell on this particular pattern that I am making little diamonds with my colors. So this is half a diamond here with this color. This is going to be the same color. This is going to be the same color. But in between here, we're bringing in our new color, which is this color. Basically, yarn carrying, what you're going to do, it's pretty simple. It sounds kind of hard once you say it that way, yarn carrying. It's pretty simple. You're going to be crocheting over your color that you're carrying. So right now I'm carrying this color over to this little block right here. I need to make 3 double crochet right here with my new color. So I'm going to make those 3 double crochet over this yarn that I'm carrying into this space. And that's it. I just simply crocheted over it. Now you don't want any of these like little gaps here, and what you simply do for that is just pull. Don't pull super hard, but you could tug on your yarn and it's going to eliminate that little gap right there. Now what you do is you drop this one, your new color. You take your color that, or your first color, or the color, the original color I was working with, you're going to take this one and you're going to bring it into this loop right here, making a loop. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to hold this yarn right here and you're just going to crochet over it. So you can see it's underneath here, and then you're simply going to do a tug to eliminate this space right here. And then these ends you would just weave in. If you need a tutorial on how to weave your ends in to your projects, I have a video. I can leave that listed down below as well. You can't see the yarn down here or anything. It gets hidden basically. Same thing here. I'm going to have to switch to this new color, make a loop, line this up to crochet over this color, and then crochet over it where that yarn is underneath these stitches. And then give this yarn a little tug to eliminate any of those spaces. Same thing here, you're going to bring in this color, so our original color, make a loop, crochet over this new color to hide that yarn. Then give this one a little tug. And that's how things are looking. Now this is just one pattern that features the yarn carrying technique. I did think of a few other patterns that would also use this technique, and these are just the ones that I thought of. I'm sure there's multiple out there that you could use this technique on, but I thought it would be a good idea to isolate this technique to show you without the mess of having to also show you the pattern. And that is going to be how to carry yarn in a crochet project. Again, my diamond stripe granny blanket is not done yet, but as soon as I have the pattern out, I will have it listed in the description below. Another shout out to Jerry605 for the suggestion on this tutorial, and that's a reminder that if you want to see anything made, please leave me comments and I will screenshot it and throw them into the rotation for the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe before you leave, and have a great day.